In this video, we learn how to show messages to users. We use Toast and Snackbar. First, create a new project and name it Toast and Snackbar. We have to put this line of code into our build.gradle file. Go to our layout file. Change container to a linear layout and set orientation to vertical. Add a button, first button for show a toast to user, set its gravity to center, set its ID and text to be show toast. Copy and paste this button and change its ID and text to be show a Snackbar. Now go to main activity. First, create a reference to our button. And for our show a Snackbar button, now we create an event for our button show toast. When user clicks on this button, we want to show a toast to user. We use a toast class and match text and pass a context to it, main activity.sys. Next, the message we want to show to user, for example, this is a toast and its duration. It can be on milliseconds, or it can be toast that length short or toast that length long. And use a show method. Now we add a click event for our show a Snackbar button. We use a Snackbar class and a Snackbar.match. First, we have to pass a view to it. We go to our layout and set an ID for our linear layout container and set its ID to be linear layout. And use find view by ID, r.id and .linear layout. Next, we have to set the message we want to show to user. For example, this is a Snackbar and its duration. It can be with milliseconds or a Snackbar length long, short or indefinite. And we use that show method. Let's run the app. This is our two buttons. First button shows a toast and the second button show a Snackbar. Next, we want our Snackbar to have a button inside it. To do that, we use .set action and pass our button text, for example, show, and set a click event for it. When user clicks on this show button, we want to show another Snackbar to user. To create another Snackbar, we use the same code we write before and set its text to, for example, a Snackbar button pressed, and set its duration to be for example 2000 milliseconds, and use dot show. Run the app. This show a toast and show a snack bar, and a snack bar have a button, and when user clicks on it, another snack bar shows. Thanks for watching.